Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you how to turn a Pokemon ETB box like this into these organizing containers. And they work by sliding the card in, and you can designate what type it is. And it just slides right on. Just a little disclaimer, 3D printing is required to build this. I'll have the file link in the description. Alright, now for putting this piece into the box so you can display the card. You're gonna need a box cutter or knife, something, a ruler, and some glue. And so I measure 4 millimeters out from the edge, and I'm put a mark and slice it down. All right, so using the ruler and the cutter, I scored it. Kind of hard to see. And now I'm gonna cut it actually all the way down. Now I got the piece cut out, and I bent it down and just cut along the edge down there. Now I got these pieces cut off. Alright, now I got the glue on this. And then I just take the 3D printed piece and I slide it on. And then you might need a paper towel to wipe some of the glue up. And then I usually put it on the side and put something kind of heavy on it so it stays put and glues better. Alright, so once we got this part done and the glue's all dried, I put the lid on, and I used this guide, which I also 3D printed, which will also be in the description. And I just line it up on the bottom of the cutout and just push down and try and get it pretty straight. And then I used to use the X-Acto knife to outline it and then cut it. So now that I have the outline scored, I just go cut it down. So now it looks like this. Alright, so I just want to make things look better because part of the Pokemon logo is cut out and some of the scratch marks on here. So I'm just went ahead and spray painted the front of the box. I just put some masking tape up there, spray painted it so it's black and matches the front. If you want, you could spray paint the whole box, but I'm just gonna leave it like that. And there we go. I got all my boxes done, and it's a good way to organize your collection if you're able to do this. So thank you for watching.